previously we were making our molasses cookies, which are from the Master Mix.
And where's the Master Mix?
The Master Mix is right here.
Right
in
here.
a big silver bowl.
Okay. So now what are we doing?
Now we're gonna make peanut butter cookies, and we're gonna add chocolate chips into them.
Yes.
So they're peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. And to start off with that, we need.
No.
Oh yes.
Brandon.
What?
It's
Brandon.
Brandon's
So to start off, we are going to need.
We need to get rid of that
Mix.
molasses.
No. Yeah.
We are going to need 3 1/2 31.5 cups
No.
Yeah.
mix.
3.5.
Not 31.5 cups.
3.5.
3.5 cups.
It says 3.5 cups of Master Mix.
Okay, I can do that. That seems pretty easily done. Yeah. It's gonna be a while, folks. This is when we play the Jeopardy music.
Huh?
Cue Jeopardy music.
Jeopardy music.
Yep. Okay, we can stop with the Jeopardy music, guys. Okay, we can stop with the Jeopardy music.
Alright, we're stopping Jeopardy music. Okay.
Okay.
Dump that right into that big bowl.
And?
Next, we need 1/3 cups of sugar.
1/3 cup. Let me go ahead and get the sugar over here.
Sugar?
1 1/3 cups of sugar. And
Alright, guys, this is my 1 cup.
Well, you could put.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Dry,
that's
ingredient,
what-
dry
this is-
ingredients in the
This has molasses in it,
This
so we
is
don't want to use that.
Dry good, thank you.
1 and how many cups, Brandon?
1 1/3.
I see it now.
And then I'm going to crack 2 eggs.
No, I can crack the eggs.
I'm going to crack
You cracked them last time.
He's going to do the mixing this time.
Live audience arguing.
So he
It's called
is
Just like that.
doing 1 1/3 cups of
Right
sugar.
there.
Okay, got
It's
that.
way too much sugar for one
Now-
person to digest.
2 eggs
2 eggs. Cracked or whole?
cracked.
Thought so.
Yeah.
You always gotta ask. I mean, some people are weird. They want,
They want the eggshells in their cookies?
One little crunch in their cookie.
That's 1. Oh no.
Just let it pour in now.
Just come on. It's gonna work. It's making it, guys. It made
No,
it.
I will whisk it.
See that right there? 1 tiny little hole in that eggshell and it came
You
out.
can't get any better.
Go. What's the next ingredient?
Now, 1
Everyone's
cup
done.
of peanut butter.
1 cup of peanut butter.
We need to get a clean spoon.
I'll use this spoon. 1 cup.
You could put that cup in this, it won't hurt it. It'd be half of this jar,
It will.
because this
Yeah.
is 2 cups.
My hands are washed.
Oh, thank you.
Tell us now.
They told them before we started.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, before we started recording.
You see this? I think that's a cap. See, this is... I think it's way cap. It's going to be real.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Alright, what else do you need?
Now, yield 6 dozen.
So do we put
Stew.
vanilla or anything in there?
Stir sugar, beaten egg, and peanut butter into the mix
Stir,
until
stir.
well blended. The fingertips in kneading may be used to aid in blending. Roll dough into smaller balls. Place on baking sheet. No, don't do that yet. We haven't put.
I haven't even gotten finished.
What's yield?
That's how much it makes.
Yeah.
Make 6 dozen.
Means yield at a stop sign.
Stop.
It's like drop some.
They're starting.
Like-
They're starting.
It's a ghost.
Like
Do you see the
It's a
lights are
whole-
I
flashing?
smell the peanut butter.
No, you don't.
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't.
Mm-hmm.
Then finish off this jar. It's yours. There's
Oh,
like
wow.
there's like less than a half a cup.
Will someone give me a spoon?
I think I used too much, guys.
No.
Am I allowed to use my hands?
And no, we're not doing your
No, I
hands.
need a spoon to eat this peanut butter.
Oh.
Do you know it's actually...
See, people upstairs are vacuuming, so they're gonna mess up our lighting. They're doing this on purpose. Because if you watch back in our other videos, they keep walking around. They're doing it on purpose.
Yeah, this is...
They despise us. when
Yeah.
we're recording.
This is what they
Jealous 'cause they're not
try to do every
They're
time we
jealous
try
'cause
to
now
do
they'll be
something.
famous.
I don't want to eat them though.
So, I think they're
If
just
you
trying
watch
to
this
annoy
video,
us.
drop a like if we're famous, okay? Just drop a like if we're famous.
Let's go
And
for
send cash.
15 likes.
Also subscribe to the channel. We need some more subscribers.
You're
Let's go
right.
for 1,500 likes.
All right, let me finish this up. Thank you.
My brother's going
You have done
insane
very
again,
good.
just like on our previous
Oh, it
video.
doesn't taste good, guys.
What?
Raw egg doesn't taste good, guys.
I know, it can give you a sickness.
I think I'm gonna have to go back to the hands again.
Okay. So as you see, she's doing that, and then that's Aunt Kimmy. Back to the grandma. Aunt Kimmy appeared in our other video, not knowing we were recording, obviously. And at least I don't think she knew.
I'm not Aunt Kimmy. The girl in the blue was Aunt Kimmy, not me, so
Not a girl, a woman.
you didn't get to see her face. That's why I thought you thought that was me, so. Let's just settle that out. I'm not a girl.
Brandon.
Just put
That's
a camera in her face. Run with it, Brandon. Run with it.
Shut up.
This is the most unsuccessful video I think is gonna go up on her
It's
channel.
very sick.
This is gonna go. This is gonna go viral.
Yes.
This is gonna, I hope. Actually, no, since we're
Brandon,
getting
get
really
out
funny, let's make it even more likes. Let's go for 1,600.
Get out from the camera.
Time to win, guys. On our molasses cookies, we have 3 minutes remaining.
Warner Brothers is going to be knocking down our door to sign us out when we start.
Hannah rolls her eyes.
Okay, quit eating the chocolate chips.
I'm sorry.
Dump some of them in here so I can get them mixed up in here.
Just how many?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I think that'd be enough. I think that would be enough.
I like me some chocolate chips. Hey, and they're not as unhealthy as you think. They're only semi-sweet.
Yeah, dark chocolate's good for you.
Really? Oh.
So
I did the other side, guys.
we get these mixed up, then we're gonna have to wait for our cookie sheets to come out of the oven.
Which,
And
2
we-
minutes left.
And we will put these in.
As you can see, if you have super sight vision, 2 minutes. Oh my goodness, those cookies are looking good. Real good cookies. They smell good too.
Oh, there you go.
54 seconds.
Turn that camera off. Okay.
What's up,
We
guys?
got our molasses cookies out.
They're great.
They're great. Want to try that? They're really good. And we have our peanut butter cookies ready. And Blake, what do you have?
This is about 7 cups of what we have left of our master mix. And just a little tip that my grandmother here, she does a lot. She keeps like the ice cream bins to where you can store stuff in them. So you can start doing that if you want to be able to not have to waste your money on like supplies like
Does this answer your earlier
Tupperwares.
question of if I'm a hoarder or not?
And also, since you're doing this right now, I want to show them. I want to show them our dough right here. See this dough? This looks better than what you can buy in the store. Like this looks like 10 times as good as what you can buy in the rolls in the store.
Okay. So Brandon is scooping them out with a spoon.
You gotta make sure they're rolled into a ball really good, because then you gotta push them down with a fork.
Thank you, Blake. And then what do you do once you
And
get
the
them
molasses
out?
cookies are
I
amazing.
have to take a fork and put an X mark on it before we cook them.
And
I'm
crisscross.
gonna take this like crisscross them.
Okay.
Smell good, and then like we put them in. I put them in for 11 minutes, and then like they just.
So
Easily
with
break
the
apart.
master mix,
That's the middle.
we can make. Shut up. We can make dumplings. We can make yellow cake. We can make waffles or griddle cakes, otherwise known as pancakes. We can make coffee cake, gingerbread, orange raisin cake, chocolate cake, apple cake, caramel dumplings. Doesn't that sound great? Apple crisp topping, donut muffins. Not making those. Blackberry roll, steamed pudding.
Yep.
Baked chocolate pudding and drop cookies, which is what we did with the molasses.
This is the drop cookies over there. You can't see 'em.
Chocolate drop cookies.
Yep.
We have to try those. And
Those are them
oatmeal
right over there.
cookies. And then the peanut butter cookies. I am going to try my cheesecake, because I make the cheesecake makes its own crust with Bisquick. So I'm going to be trying this mix with that.
And if I was you, I'd try my best to find one of these master mix things.
And if I were you, I'd push.
Very vivid instructions.
Any rate, when we get done with the peanut butter cookies, then we will let you see
Let me
those.
roll one, please.
Over and out.
Goodbye. We will be back.